Today we're looking at a ReBoot 1550. It's a multi-process. It can run on CO2, MIG mix, or Flux-core. Up front, you can also use a spool gun, so you could weld aluminum with it. There's a switch there, you switch over to spool gun. The other 5 processes are stick, lift TIG, MIG, mag, and Flux-core. The control is fully synergetic. The wire speed and voltage are controlled with this one knob. The voltage control is automatic. If you need to fine-tune your voltage a little bit, you can do that over here. And basically you just dial it up and down depending on how thick the material is. And super easy to weld. Okay, we're welding 3/16 plate, doing a butt weld. We're using Flux-core, and we got 105 amps, couple volts extra. Wow, pretty awesome the way that sprayed in there. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, 145 amps, CO2 gas, 30 thou wire, 1/4 inch steel.